Think you know what's crawling in your backyard? One wrong answer in this tick quiz could leave your skin crawling, literally. Question 1. Which of the following animals is most likely to carry ticks? A. Dolphins. B. Deer. C. Penguins. D. Frogs. Answer. B. Deer. How many legs does an adult tick have? A. 6. B. 8. C. 10. D. 12. Answer 8. True or false? Ticks are insects. Answer. False. Ticks are arachnids. What's the most common disease ticks spread in the U.S.? A. Lyme disease. B. Rabies. C. Malaria. D. West Nile virus. Answer. Lyme disease. How do ticks find their hosts? A. They jump. B. They fly. C. They wait on tall grass and latch on. D. They dig underground. Answer. C. They wait on tall grass and latch on, a behavior called questing. 6. Which stage of the tick life cycle can transmit disease? A. Egg. B. Larva. C. Nymph. D. All of the above. C. Nymph, though adults also can. True or false? You should twist a tick to remove it. False. You should pull it straight out with tweezers. What is a common sign of Lyme disease after a tick bite? A. Bruising. B. Circular rash, bull's eye. C. Vomiting. D. Swollen tongue. B. Circular rash, bull's eye. How long does a tick usually need to be attached to transmit Lyme disease? A. 5 minutes. B. 1 hour. C. 12 hours. D. 24 to 48 hours. Answer D. 24 to 48 hours. 10. Which type of tick is known for causing red meat allergies in humans? A. Black-legged tick. B. Lone star tick. C. Dog tick. D. Deer tick. B. Lone star tick.